There is a new best AI model ever every week, but in 20 minutes, you can run a tiny test on your own work and see which model actually wins for you. Keep watching because I will give you a copy-paste prompt you can run in any AI app to score ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Copilot on your real tasks, not random exams. Here is the trap. Most people pick models from leaderboards and hype, even though those scores often do not match how the model behaves on your specific work. According to TDWY, those leaderboards come from benchmarks, fixed test sets with known answers that squeeze a model into one neat score. But your job is not that benchmark. Big companies do something smarter. They define what good looks like, pick test data from their real process, then measure how a model performs on that exact task before rolling it out. Label Studio explains this as formal model evaluation, and Kili Technology says it is how teams decide if a model is accurate, safe, and actually fit for use. You can steal a tiny version of this. Think of what IBM's Watsonx does. For generative tasks like summarizing, it needs test inputs and expected outputs so it can score quality. You will do the same, just on a small personal scale. Step 1. Grab 5 to 10 real examples from your own work, like emails you need summarized, meeting notes turned into tasks, or messy ideas turned into clear outlines. Step 2. For each example, write a one-sentence description of what good looks like, such as no missing deadlines, friendly but direct tone, or bullet list with owners and dates. Now the twist. We are going to ask one AI model to help you judge other models using a clear evaluation prompt instead of vibes or guessing. Here is the copy-paste prompt. You can run this in any AI app to turn it into your personal referee between models. Now you run the match. For each of your 5 examples, send the same input to 2 different models, for example, ChatGPT and Claude, using the same prompt and settings. Copy both outputs into your referee AI with your task description and what good looks like. According to IBM's docs, that simple input plus expected goal is enough for useful quality checks. Here is the pattern most people miss. You are not looking for which model is perfect. You are looking for which one is consistently less wrong for your specific pattern of work. If one model wins 4 out of 5 examples for planning and structure, and another wins for creative writing, you split your workflow. Leland's comparison guide says match the model to the task, not just pick one favorite. The real benefit is speed. Kili Technology points out that evaluation is often the bottleneck for teams shipping AI. Your tiny test removes that bottleneck for your personal setup in one focused session. So here is your move. Before adopting the next shiny model, run this 20-minute test with 5 real examples and let your own work, not the leaderboard, pick the winner. If you found this useful, subscribe, and next week we will build another simple AI habit like this, one skill at a time, so you can use new models with confidence instead of guessing.